everyone, thank you for clicking on my video. Today I will share how to make delicious fried rice with sour vegetables. I hope you will like it. Ingredients: rice, sour vegetable, eggs, spring onion, bell peppers. Diced bell peppers. Chopped ginger. Diced spring onion. Place onion white and onion green separately. The amount of sour vegetables is adjusted according to the amount of rice. I only used 1/3 for 2 people fried rice. Beat eggs until frothy. Fried egg and cut into small pieces. Stir-fry onion white. Add chopped garlic. Add sour vegetables. Add rice. Press lightly with spatula to break the rice and stir-fry evenly. Season to taste. Add bell peppers. Mix well with fried egg. Plate the beautiful fried rice. Garnish with spring onion. Look at that, yummy!
Body attracted by fried rice smell.
This fried rice is delicious. Give it a try, yeah. It's delicious to add chilies to spice up the taste. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.